I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over using bridge pages. First off, what are bridge pages and why should you use them? Bridge pages are basically a page that goes before an affiliate offer. They act as a bridge to pre-sell people on the affiliate offer that you're promoting. You have a much higher chance of converting someone when you use a bridge page than when you send someone straight to the affiliate page. This is because you can connect with your audience. It helps them see that you're a real person as well, especially if you brand yourself on the video. People buy from people they know, like and trust, and they're interested in other people's opinions. So if you send people directly to an affiliate page, you're missing out on a lot of conversions. A simple bridge page with a quick video and a quick message from yourself showing people that there's an actual person giving a recommendation and some testimonials on a page can go a long way in skyrocketing your conversions. And it also helps you stand out from the competition. I would go as far to say almost 99% of affiliates send people straight to the offer. If you're putting a bridge page with your video on, you're part of the 1% and you're going to get a lot more conversions. And like I said before, you're also going to build up your own brand. You're going to position yourself as an expert, which is just going to help you in the long run. And another great thing about having a bridge page is you can capture people's details on there. You can put a pixel on there so you can retarget people, whereas a lot of affiliate offers, they don't allow you the freedom to put your own tracking, your own pixels on the pages. So you can do detailed tracking, detailed targeting, and retarget people if they don't follow through with your affiliate offer. On top of this, some affiliate programs actually require that you use a bridge page and don't send traffic directly to the offer. So some affiliate programs actually force you to use a bridge page, or else it's against their terms of service and you risk getting shut down. What should you include on your bridge page? Well, of course you should have a headline, a bold attention-grabbing headline, which makes people want to scroll on and watch your video. And then you should also include a sub-headline as well. Never underestimate the power of spelling it out for people. Some people want to be handheld through funnels, so make sure you tell people to click the button below, to click to watch the video. Physically tell them what you want them to do on the page. So your page should include a video of you or some kind of text sales letter. I'd highly recommend a video. It helps connect with people and skyrockets conversions compared to text. If you have any reviews from people or reviews from yourself that you can include about the product you're promoting, that's bound to increase conversions as well. And make sure to list off the benefits. When we promote a product for a long time, we sometimes miss out the basic benefits of the product. So list out the benefits and include bonuses. So when you make an offer to someone, list out all the benefits that they get for joining with you, list out the bonuses, as a lot of people who come to your bridge page may have already heard about the product, and your offer and your bonuses can push someone over the edge. Of course, always include a call to action. The call to action is the most important part of the page. Make sure you have a button or some kind of call to action on the page. Now I'm going to show you one of my bridge pages for Builderall. This is one of my bridge pages for Builderall. As you can see, it's one of the more personal ones, but it's good to have a personal connection with people. It shows that there's people working with the company, there's people behind the computer screen, and you have to build up that know, like, and trust factor. The more you can connect with someone, the more they're going to know you and trust you. They might not like you, but that's okay. Not everyone's going to like you. But the more you share, the more they're going to know you, and the more they're going to trust you, and the more they're going to buy from you. Don't be scared of getting in front of the camera and sharing some things, because the more connection you can make, the more people are going to be willing to buy from you. On this page, I have my story and how the Builderall community helped me, and then I link to that by saying you can be part of the exact same community. Once they've heard my story, they know, like, and trust me a little bit. I show them a video from how far I've come, from how the Builderall community helped me, suggest that they start a 7-day free trial and get involved with the community themselves, and to see what they can build with the community and how they can become a part of the community. As you can see, it's got a headline, it's got a sub-headline, and I'm spelling it out. Click play on the video above to hear my story. We've got the video, and we've got some text as well. I've put my own review and some of the benefits on the video and the features. I haven't mentioned any bonuses on this page, and of course there's call to actions. I've hit every single part of the checklist that I just showed you, apart from the bonuses on this bridge page, but I don't think it's the right style of page to put the bonuses on, so you don't need to hit everything from that checklist to make a good bridge page. You can hit most of them and still have a really good high converting bridge page. As long as you create that human connection and build that know, like and trust factor, then you'll be ready to go with a high converting bridge page. In this video we went over the importance of building a bridge page.